10 interesting facts about sharks. 1. Sharks glide through the water like airplanes do. 2. Most species of sharks do not drown when they stop swimming. 3. Sharks do not have cavities. Most species of sharks have teeth coated with fluoride so they can stay pearly white, strong, and free of cavities. 4. Sharks have one of the largest fish brains. We often think of sharks as predators that prowl the ocean on their own, but most are highly social creatures and travel in packs with a certain hierarchy. 5. Sharks can track their prey by their heartbeat. 6. Sharks actually don't like the taste of humans. 7. You're much more likely to be bitten by a human than a shark. 8. Goblin sharks' nests are too deep to be discovered by humans. 9. The largest known whale shark is bigger than an 8-story house. 10. Sharks are easily injured. Most are accidentally caught by fishermen, causing 20 to 30% of shark species to become extinct.